coefficient of y is greater than 1. Greater than 1 means 2, 3, 4, 5. Then apply this property. 0 to infinity e raised to minus ky into I raised to n minus 1 dy is equal to gamma n upon k raised to n. Using this property and definition to solve the examples. We will see first example. To evaluate integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus x raised to 4 into dx. Reduce this integral to gamma. We know the definition of gamma. Gamma n is equal to 0 to infinity e raised to minus x into x raised to n minus 1 dx. Means reduce this integral to gamma. Here the power of x is 1, but here the power of x is 4. Means reduce this equation. Means reduce this integral by putting x raised to 4 is equal to t. And solve this, we get the value of dx. First, taking 4th root on both sides, x is equal to t raised to 1 by 4. Differentiating x with respect to t. Derivative of t raised to 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into t raised to 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 3 by 4. Therefore, dx is equal to 1 by 4 into t raised to minus 3 by 4 into dt. And find the limits of t. All limits are x varies from 0 to infinity. To find the new limits means to find the limits of t by using the part x raised to 4 is equal to t. We know that the limits of x. First value of x is 0. Put x is 0. 0 raised to 4. Second value of x is infinity. Infinity raised to 4. Infinity. Therefore, t varies from 0 to infinity. Putting all these values in given definite integral, that is I. Therefore, I is equal to integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus x raised to 4. Here x raised to 4 is t into dx, and equation of dx is 1 by 4 t raised to minus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 is a constant outside the integral into t raised to minus 3 by 4 dt. Therefore, 1 by 4 into 0 to infinity e raised to minus t. Write minus 3 by 4 in n minus 1 form. That is t raised to 1 by 4 minus 1 into dt. And we get the definition of gamma n. And here the value of n is 1 by 4. That is 1 by 4 into gamma 1 by 4. We get the value of I. Okay. Then go to second example. To evaluate integration from 0 to infinity e raised to minus x square into dx. इंटीग्रेटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट इंटीग्रेशन पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो रिड्यूस दिस टू सॉल्व दिस इंटीग्रल बाय यूजिंग डेफिनेशन ऑफ गैमा फंक्शन. डेफिनेशन ऑफ गैमा फंक्शन आपको मालूम है. डेफिनेशन ऑफ गैमा फंक्शन इज 0 टू इन्फिनिटी e raised to minus x into x raised to n minus 1 dx. तो आपको गिवन इंटीग्रल गैमा में रिड्यूस करना है. Okay? Here power of x is 1, but here given example में power of x 2a. Means reduce this integral to gamma. Means put